M0FXB, welcome to my videos on the Thunderpole T2000. This one is a beginner's guide of the front panel. So let's just do one button at a time. So the small button here is the squelch. If we turn it down low, you'll hear the squelch when the automatic squelch is turned off. See, it says ASQ there. Press that, you've got the squelch. The volume is here. And to turn the radio on and off, it's the same button. Like so, off, then on. We'll put the automatic squelch back on, and then the outer button is the RF gain. So I would say just keep that turned all the way around. This is a 4-watt radio. You can change the screen colors nice and easily, just pressing this LCR. Some really nice colors there, and it's a very nice looking CB, this one. 40 channel CB. Now you do have the ability to save memories. So there's your 40 channels. Now you can also change the country in Europe that you are using for this radio. So different countries, different amount of channels, different frequencies. At the moment, I'm pretty sure that's Germany there. Let's just go around. So Germany is allowed more channels, so this one may go up to 80 on the Germany setting. So let's just say we want to save menu number channel 67. You would press memory button. Choose your 1 to 10 you can choose. Let's say we choose number 9. Press memory and it's in there now. To recall your memories. Now when you're storing, I should have said, it does say ME here. When you're recalling, press F. Then memory, and then you see the word RD. RD means you're recalling, and these are the memory channels. And it only shows the ones you've used. So if you've only used 3 memory channels, when you scroll through, it's only going to show you 3. And to come out, just press memory again. You're back to scrolling through normal channels. You've got an automatic noise limiter button here as well. Cuts out some of the rough noise. I know my one says low, but this is permanently on 4 watts. This is an early firmware version. If you're in a country that allows AM, you can change the mode here. You've got mode button there, and at the top of the screen, it will toggle between AM and FM. And only if it's allowed, if it's permitted within your country. Now to change the country you're in, what you do, just change it to UK. So you turn it off, hold down these 2 buttons here, F and memory. It's quite fiddly, and turn it on. When it's on, it will give you the chance to change the UK thing there. Just changing it there. So we're going to change, let's do EU, and then we'll turn it off and on. EU channels are now selected. It's nice that you get the frequency as well. I think it just makes it a nicer experience. The speaker on this is nice. I'll show you the microphone and the microphone connection. There's your microphone. On top you have up and down buttons. So we go up and down, and you have that automatic squelch. And it's a nice big chunky microphone. And that, so I do like the microphone. The connector, we'll just take it off. Just use your radio connector that you get on many CBs. Just unscrews, pull it out. When you connect it, just remember that there's a little D there, and to match the D up with what's on your connector there, and it will just slide on, and then you just screw that on. On the back of the device, PL259 connection, extension speaker. Now that one there, what's that? Let me find that. I think they removed that from the newer models. It could be a PA, but I think newer models haven't got that. It's a nice, I think it's a nice, you know, for the price, I think they're quite well priced, these. Also, this one comes with a cigarette adapter permanently connected to the power cable. Like that. That's very convenient as well. Just go to your car, plug it in, and you're ready to go. I do have a mobile CB aerial in my boot as well. We do have a scan button here. Did it earlier and it was scanning quite nicely. We're not going to find much, I don't think, because there's not much activity in my area. My CB antenna isn't in a very good position. You turn the squelch up, keep your RF gain right round, push scan, and then fingers crossed, I think. See if we find anyone. Not at the moment. We've got the shortcut here for 9 and 19 as well. Stop the scan. 9, 19, then back to your normal channels. Memory, dual watch. I'll read you what dual watch says. This button allows you to monitor 2 channels at once. To use this function, choose the first channel you wish to monitor using the channel selector. So let's say we choose 24. And notice that we can actually choose AM and FM when we're on the EU channels. Let's go to FM. Then press dual watch. Select the other channel. Let's say we want to dual watch, say 1-4, like so. Press dual watch again, and it's dual watching, as you can see. Very clever. Got the noise limiter. I think some people like them, some people don't. We call this reading here the RF meter or the S meter. And that actually will change when you transmit as well, look. To show that you're full power. We'll see if we can dig out my meter in a minute, see if we can check the SWR on this. I'll show you a photograph of the different modes and different frequencies that you can use. So yeah, have a look here, pause it, and then you can have a look. And also I would go onto Google or Chrome and just check there haven't been any changes to this. But you can see that some countries allow AM, some don't, etc. And some have 80 channels and some have 40. I do like the fact that there's a little LED there that's green, and when you transmit it goes red. So overall I think it's a really nice looking, neat CB. It's a nice size, it's light, easy to move around. It's not too small, because some CBs, and you can get very small CBs, you know, it's just a nice size, I feel. You know, I got mine second hand a long time ago, but you know, I like them. This is my SWR meter. If we look at the back, it's marked antenna here. So there's my antenna. It's just a long wire for now. And underneath there, it says TX, and that goes to the radio. Okay. On the front, we set it to 5-watt radio. Calibrate. Then we press the PTT. And we turn this knob until it goes to the end. See there, until it goes fully across, and we turn it. It's hard to do one-handed. Right, let's do it now. Push it, and we can turn that. Then we go down to SWR. Okay, which is quite high, 2 point something, but it's fine for testing. Then we'll go to power. Okay. Not much power showing. I just realised I didn't flick these ones here. And we do have lights as well. Let's try again. Okay, well it is showing quite a lot of power there. Let's calibrate again. Move it back. Okay. Down to SWR key. Flick it up, back up to power. Let's go to forward. You get this and this. So there you go. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. And overall, I think it's a very good radio. Bye for now, 7-3. Thanks for watching.